this is Priya and welcome to my channel Kendi. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make overnight oats.
Before moving forward, let's discuss the benefits of overnight oats. Overnight oats have increased digestibility, makes you feel fuller and burns more fat, boosts fiber intake, improves overall metabolism, considered good for your heart's health, helps fight various diseases like diarrhea, diabetes, etc., improves overall health, and much more.
So let me walk you through the ingredients now. Here we have about a cup of instant oats, some dry fruits like walnuts, raisins, cashew nuts, some soaked almonds. Then here we have some soaked chia seeds, some flax seeds, some jaggery, which is optional. And then we have some cut fruits like bananas, apples, strawberries, and blueberries. And of course, we have some milk. You can also use some yogurt, regular yogurt or Greek yogurt.
So now let's start soaking the oats in the milk overnight. I'm going to add the milk into the oats. You can also substitute milk with Greek yogurt or regular yogurt. So this will go into the fridge overnight. For this video, I'm going to use the oats that I prepped last night. So let's start adding the ingredients. I'm going to start adding the flax seeds. Then we'll add the dry fruits. I'm going to add the fruits then, starting with the apples. Here are the bananas. Strawberries. Blueberries. I'm going to add my jaggery, which is optional. Now mix them well. I think I can add some more milk. We can add our chia seeds, which was soaked in water for about 20 to 30 minutes. And last but not the least, I'm going to peel the skin of the almonds and add them onto it. So this is what it's going to look like. Now let's give it a good mix. So our very healthy overnight oats are now ready. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel Kindi. Bye and take care.